Welcome to Spirit Shack. This is our PIR Light Motion Sensor. So basically, if anything walks in front of this, the light comes on. It has a built-in rechargeable battery, which you also get the supplied USB cable to charge it. Got a little port on the side. There's no on and off switch for this, so it's basically always on. But the only thing is, it only works in the dark. It doesn't have to be completely dark, but it has to be like dimly lit. So if it's in a dark enough area, this will just work straight away once it's been charged. So the PIR says sensor's in the middle, and it has got a very wide angle of view, so it's obviously 360, and it comes out like that. So you can just set it straight on the floor, and it'll get anything in every direction. So if anything comes near it when it's in a relatively dark place, the light will light up. So not just humans are able to trigger these, but also spirits. Yes, it's a really cheap and effective way of detecting if anything's there. You can obviously ask spirits to come up to it and just use it like that. If you do start getting it going off, you can also then go on to yes or no questions. If you're male, please light it again, and so forth. If you like one of these, I'll leave a link in the video description, and thanks for watching.